Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Diandra. Nama saya Diandra. If I'm asked why did I chose the psychological study program at Universitas Indonesia Timur, it is because the psychological program study is accredited B. Many things that I got from this university was I can speak English fluently like now, and you can also speak English fluently because we prepared a special English lab for you to learn. We are taught by intelligent millennials, lecturers. Students and lecturers here are like a family, and therefore you guys should come and study at this Universitas Indonesia Timur with me, okay? See you! Saya tunggu kalian di universitas ini.